I play Sebastian. This is Lenny or Domínguez. Play knight f3. Yeah, Domínguez is a very tough. Actually, no, let's go e4. I'll play a bishop's opening against Linear. If he goes there, I'll play knight c3. Multiple options here. Sorry. Yeah, he goes bishop c5. Okay, so let's just go h3, knight e2, knight g3. I mean, this is very, very slow and very boring, but who cares? I always have f4. I think I'll just castle and play like knight g3. a4 maybe not best, but I'm gonna play it anyway because my whole concept is around getting this pawn structure, and a4 will rip squares later on, so a4 fits my general plan. Now, Sebastian, of course, is Lenny or Domínguez, who is originally from Cuba, representing the United States of America. Very, very strong player. So he does take, so I get the structure I wanted. Now, I thought I could maybe go bishop g. Wait. This looks a little bit sus to me, maybe. Oh, no, he's got knight e6, which I missed. I should have just played knight e2 then or something. This is not what I want to do at all. My position's okay still, but it's not what I wanted. Okay, he goes knight e7. I could play a5. I mean, I don't really like what I've done. I guess I'll go here. I mean, it's bishop d4. I've like knight e2. Okay, goes g6. Okay, I'm gonna play knight e2. Idea maybe a5, maybe c3, b4, a5, maybe f4. Bishop h6 also was a move, but I thought he was always gonna have queen h4 later. I could play c3. The thing is, if I get that structure, which one? I think I'll just go a5. And I'm gonna go b4, probably c3 here, in some sequence of moves. I mean, I don't know if I should actually play c3, but it looks right just to take away more squares. Let's go here, rook d1, of course. Logical. I'll go here, maybe knight h1 and f3, bishop e3 later. I don't really like my position that much, but I think it's... Maybe I should have just gone bishop e3 right away. Thing is, I'm way up on time, so if I go here... So he goes back. Okay, so he takes, I take. h4 now, I have knight h1 and f3. I mean, I don't love my position, but I think it's acceptable. Logical. I think, though, I can just stack maybe. Go rook d1 here. Knight on h1. I should have played f3, knight f2 probably, but I'm playing this game a little bit too quickly. Let's go here. Now I should be fine, so I was at knight f2. Go there maybe. I mean, Linear is just trying to make a draw, but it's not like I have a whole lot going on either. Like, it's very hard to prove an advantage. Like, I guess I'll go here, knight e3 maybe. I might even just offer the draw. I don't really have much. Guess let's go here. Maybe the idea of b5 exists. If I go b5, I mean, he has knight c5 though, which is always a problem, so... How do I do this? Where's my knight belong is the other question. I think my knight belongs on f2, actually. So if I put the knight here, and then I have b5, like, or knight d3, I should be okay. At least that's my assumption. Like, now I can go knight d3. And now there's also b5 at some point. Like, b5, so there's no knight c5. And now I've rotated the knight to the right square. So I don't really have any advantage here necessarily, but I also should not really be worse. If I go b5, I'm trying to think about this one. b5. Nah, let's just go for it. Why not? I mean, it's early in the event. We're on 4 out of 4. There's no reason not to try. If it was a serious game, I might just like make a draw here and just take a risk out of the game, but here it feels like it's worth it. It's got a5 though. If I go rook a2 maybe, go here. There's always takes, knight b4, a6 also is a move. If I get a6, a7, I have a chance to win the game. I mean, I'm way up on clock here, so I have good chances. Maybe I wouldn't say like great chance, but good chance. I think it's the right word to use. He takes, which I'm actually very surprised to see. Because, like, I'm really trying to press him hard on the clock here. go here. How do I do this? I feel like I'm better, but it's not. Ah, maybe I should have played knight b4. Oh no, there's knight b4 with knight d5. Why did I play rook b6? I took away a square from my knight. So dumb. So incredibly stupid by me. Maybe I can just go c. Ah, that was stupid. How do I do this? Take and play rook a4. It's dangerous though, so I think I'm gonna go here. So he hangs the pawn. I think I'm gonna go for it now. But check and knight e5 also. I think I'm better, but I don't know if I'm winning. Let's go check. I have knight e5, knight e7. That's my whole goal. I mean, this looks scary, but I go king g3. Is it mate? Actually, I think it's just mate. It's actually just mate. He has to go. It's just mate. It's actually just yeah, it's just mate. I have h4 and rook f6. It's just mate. Yeah, it's just mate. We got the win. 5 out of 5. Good win. Let's keep rolling.